Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you about types of law. So first of all I am going to teach you about from the point view of nature, and from the point view of nature there are two types of law. First of all, number one is substantive law and number second is procedural law. So first of all I like to tell you about the substantive law and the law which is connected with the rights and duties. They are only known as substantive law, and this law is applied in non-legal context. Okay, and this substantive law is related with the object and subject matters. This law defines the remedy and rights to the people. Now number B is procedural law. This law cannot be applied in non-legal context. For example, procedural law helps to gather evidence from the different sources and following the legal requirements, so that for a lawful arrest, this procedural law helps to ensure that all citizens must be treated equally and fairly. Now again, types of law from the point view of jurisdiction. So there are two types, that is criminal law and civil law. Criminal law. Criminal law means, from the name only it is clear that criminal law is the body of law that deals with crime and the legal punishment of criminals. The primary objective of this law is to penalize those persons who committed a crime. And number B is civil law. Civil law always deals with the dispute of individuals, organizations, okay, or between any two parties. This law helps to give compensations to the victim, okay, and the court, in this law the court gives a specific relief asked for, and this law act in private matters. Now types of law from the point view of legal effect, and from the point view of legal effect there are two types of law, that is public law and private law. I think it is from name also it is clear. So public law, okay, so public law helps to protect public interest, okay, and individual and state are the main parties who are involved in this public law. This law is responsible for regulating relationship between citizen and state. Number B is private law. This law helps to protect private interests of individual or organizations. Private entities or organizations are the main parties of private law. This law helps to secure private interest, freedom of individual in a community. And this law is responsible for regulating activities between two or more parties only. Then the last types of law from the point view of applications, there are two types, that is national law and international law. Okay, national law is also known as domestic law, that is applied within the boundaries of country and is created in accordance with the constitution of the state. This law is concerned with the rights and duties, okay, of legal person within the state. And number B is international law. This law regulates external relationship between two or more countries by signing a treaties or agreement concerning trade or war. I think that you have understood. If you have any confusion, then you can comment down.